Evil monologue number 1. Okay. Now, I lost. I understand. I get it. Right? I'm a new man now. I have turned over a new leaf. And I am not to be something that you need to worry about. Oh, that is rich. I lied. Listen, there's a lot of new things that are happening now. A lot of new people, a lot of new faces. And I, for one, welcome the challenge. I, for one, a part of Solar Flares, and hereby decree that we will be unstoppable. So, do you join, or do you leave in the dust? That's your decision. Welcome to Solar Flare.
Speed, endurance, agility, skill, tenacity, wits, pressure, animal friendship, aqua knowledge, hydroplaning, aerobics, water agility, drowning. These are the qualities that make me the most equipped to lead this team to victory. Join me 20,000 leagues under the sea, or just in this room, to win the ultimate prize. And who am I, you might ask? Well, I'm Dolphin Dan.
You've heard of Maverick, you've heard of Goose. Behind every great pilot, there's a great mechanic. They call me Dodo. I fly with the best of them. By that I mean, I project myself as the engine, flying through the skies. My personal record for F-18 engine, breaking it down, putting it back together, 12 hours, 47 minutes, 53 seconds. And I only have 14 bolts left over. That's what I call skill. One of my biggest accomplishments is I created a V27 engine. It can go Mach 27. The government's just not ready for that yet, nor do they have a pilot that can really man it. I'm gonna win Nerf war because I got the military on my side. They're not coming? Well, I got Maverick and Goose on my side. Alright, well, I'll make do with my 14 extra bolts. We're gonna win Nerf war because I make green machines for a living. And if we don't, I'll call in an airstrike. Can't do that either?